Good morning, everybody. I hope you're having a nice weekend, and I do apologize for not getting this video done yesterday. I was tied up all day, and it was just nearly impossible for me to get to my computer. So let's get right to it. Week number 5, we start our study of quantitative designs. Quantitative designs is really it's based upon numbers. And if you've ever participated in a Likert scale survey, a Likert scale could be you have 5 or 7 responses that you put in there. Each one of those represents a number, and you strongly agree, you strongly disagree. The organizers, the developers get the results from that, and they can analyze the numbers from an overall survey based upon a sample. So if it's a 5 scale and you get a score of 4.7, that's what you're going to be basing your kind of the results on and your analysis on. So like I said, it's probably a type of survey or type of research that you're more familiar with than with the qualitative side of things, but maybe not. Maybe you're more familiar with qualitative. So let's get right to the materials this week. And there's a couple of things I do want to highlight. First of all, take a look at the information that I posted online and what you can see in the video. By the way, all of the materials are available. So this week, what I'd like you to do is read these chapters. Chapter 6 is an introduction. Chapter 7 is descriptive statistics. So descriptive statistics are statistics that analyze the actual numbers. You are not inferring in any way to an overall, to a larger population. Descriptive statistics just say you get 20 responses from a survey and you analyze those results on 20. Really, all you can say is this is what the information tells us. You can't say, okay, now that we know 20, we can spread this out and we can infer what it means to the entire, just say, state population in Maine. So descriptive statistics only describe the data that's kind of in front of you that you're analyzing. I'd like you to take a look at the videos, participate in a discussion forum, and this is where you're using an article, and then I'd like you to describe, explain, and apply the following concepts as they relate to data reports, reading the articles, descriptive statistics, etc. So I have more information on that down below. The assignment, heads up. The critique is coming. It doesn't happen until October 8th, which is actually 2 weeks from today. And we will have a Zoom meeting either, it'll probably be next week, but it could be Thursday of this week. I stay tuned. I'm going to put something out there, working on my schedule so we can schedule that. Don't need to spend a lot of time on the actual assignment that's coming up. I just wanted to give you a heads up. And then we have the article capture assignment, which is the first of 3 articles. So we have the discussion topic, read this article, and then answer those questions. The critique doesn't happen until October 8th. And, like I said, I just put it out there so you can take a look at that. Now, let me go back to week number, we're going to go back to week number 4. Come down to the bottom, article capture 1 assignment. I've been over this, but I just want to reiterate that this is due Tuesday, by the end of the day on Tuesday the 26th. If you need an extra day, that would be fine, but please just let me know that's coming up. So this is where you take your actual articles. Hopefully you found 3 good research articles, primary source documents, and you plug them into the actual table. So let me go here. I'm clicking on the assignment, down below, we have the article capture form. And article capture, come on, there we go. Okay, article capture. There's exemplars. I pointed those out in last week's video, so take a look at that. You don't need to go overboard. Author's date, or author's name, title, article title, journal title, volume, all the information. And then I'd like you to cite it. This is just an example in here. This is APA formatting using a hanging indent. If you do not know how to do a hanging indent, you could reach out to me, or all you have to do is just Google hanging indent, and it's a very simple formatting that you can do. There's also information here that you can follow, and then provide a 3 to 5 sentence summary of the article. And what I mean by that is tell what the article is, and I'd like you to say somewhere in there why this is a research article, why this is a primary source document. And it could be right in the abstract. It says, this research was conducted by the author. And we had they give you the methods, they give the sample, the purpose, the data collection, data analysis, etc. So all of the categories are in there. So I just would like you to have one sentence about why this is primary research. So let me go back to our site. So that information is in here. And that is it for the week. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you're running into any issues finding primary source documents, you're having trouble with the article capture 1 assignment, which once again is submitting the 3 articles, please let me know. I'm here to help, and if you can't find something or somehow the research is blocked, once again, shoot it to me. Send me an email, and I'm sure I can help you find it. If I can't help you, then I reach out to Tim Lynch, who is our research librarian down in Glickman Library at USM. So that's it for me. I hope you have a wonderful week, and I look forward to seeing your article capture assignment submitted by Tuesday night. And once again, if you need a little more time, just let me know. Bye, everybody.